Hi everyone, it's Cindy with Cindy's Creations. I'm here to show you how to put an iron-on transfer onto a shirt, t-shirt, sweatshirt. This is a sweatshirt. I did purchase it at Walmart. I think it was like $7.98, which is very reasonable. And I printed out this Let It Snow snow guy on this paper. I know it's backwards, but this is fabric transfers sheets. All you do is print it out on your printer that you have, that you use, and peel the back off. This is the backing, and it shows you how to do it here on the back. And we're going to iron this on, and we're going to have a cute Let It Snow sweatshirt. So let me make sure I have this on straight. I measured from side to side, and to make sure that it's in the middle as I can. And then we have to measure at least 2.5 to 3 inches from your neckline down, unless you want it way up high. So I didn't make this shirt, but that's a little high for me, but that's the way it came. So I'm going to use my heat press at 315 degrees for 30 seconds, and we're just going to iron it on. I'm using parchment paper, which goes on over, over the, just because you don't want to iron directly on this because it's kind of like a plastic. So I just want to make sure it's straight. I don't want to have my snowman looking kind of sideways. So I think it's pretty good. So let's go ahead and do that. I have my heat press set for 30 seconds at 315 degrees. And let's count down, and we'll have a sweatshirt here. Really cute in a few minutes. Now you can press it on both sides if you want to, but really this will work on here. I'm moving it around because it's a little bigger than my heat press. So I want to make sure that I have it all covered here with the heat. Now you can use an iron if you don't have a heat press. You can use an iron, dry, no steam, and you want to heat each section for 3 to 4 minutes. You want to move it around and move it around to make sure it's down. So let's pull this up and let's see if I did it good. It's hot. I'll make sure we've got it on here. I'm going to let it cool here for a brief second, and I think I'm going to do it again real quick, just to do a little, not for 30 seconds, but just a little to go over and make sure it's on really well. So let's just go ahead and try it one more time. I'd rather be safe than sorry. You don't want to wash this right away. You want to at least wait 24 hours or so before you wash your item. And I'd wash it inside out. And I wouldn't dry it. I would hang it on a hanger and let it dry. So this is just unbleached parchment paper that I used. It's still pretty warm, but let me hold it up so you guys can see. This is just a sweatshirt. You can put it on a t-shirt if you want to. That's really pretty simple. Now it's pretty good. It's right there where we want it to be. So it says Let It Snow. I printed that out on my printer and on this paper, and now it's ready to wear or gift to somebody. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button down at the bottom and leave me a comment so that I know you watched. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you so much, everybody. This is Cindy with Cindy's Creations. Bye-bye.